start.
Hello, I'm Silver. We will discover a black hole. A black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, no particles, or even electromagnetic radiation such as light can escape from it. The theory of general relativity predicts that a sufficiently compact mass can deform space-time to form a black hole. Who discovered black hole? The black hole was first discovered by Carl Schwarzschild in 1916, although its interpretation as a region of space from which nothing can escape was first published by David Finkelstein in 1958. Black holes of stellar mass are expected to form when very massive stars collapse at the end of their life cycle. After a black hole has formed, it can continue to grow by absorbing mass from its surroundings. Many objects or matters which are crammed together to form a black hole where it reaches its tipping point, as the size is larger. Why does it happen? But can you suppose how the neutron stars become a black hole? The maximum mass of a neutron star is 3 solar masses. If it gets more massive than that, then it will collapse into a quark star, and then into a black hole. Although neutron stars are much stronger gravitational pull of a black hole. How to get the Schwarzschild radius? The Schwarzschild radius is a physical parameter that shows up in the Schwarzschild solution to Einstein's field equations, corresponding to the radius defining the event horizon of a Schwarzschild black hole. Let us define it as Rs. It is equal to 2 multiplied by g multiplied by m, divided by c squared. G denotes as a gravitational constant. M denotes as an object mass. And c denotes as a speed of light. Do you know the given value of g is? That is 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th exponent Newton meter squared by kilogram squared. In terms of gravitation, Miles Tails per hour can help you for a while. Hi Tails.
Hi there, it's so nice to see you.
We're discussing how the black hole forms. Tails, is the value 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th exponent right?
Yes, in the topic of gravitation.
Okay, in Earth, the mass is 5.97 times 10 to the 24th kilograms. Now, what you need to find is the Schwarzschild radius.
Schwarzschild radius? I've never seen how to solve this.
It's 2gm by c squared. Now, when you solve this, you may use calculators if you're too slow to solve. It's 8.87 times 10 to the negative 3rd meters, which is also equal to 8.87 millimeters.
Oh, okay. Whoa, so small. Ha ha ha, you're shrinking us?
Not exactly. What's so funny about it? A joke?
Probably yes. Silver, if an average human's weight is 60 kilograms, what is the Schwarzschild radius?
That would be nearly 10 to the negative 25 meters, or it is equal to 0.1 yoctometers.
Oh dear, it's so small as a fine powdered sugar. So funny imagination.
Okay Tails, thanks for telling us.
See you Silver.
Before ending this video, let's discuss few more. John Mitchell used the term dark star, and in the early 20th century, physicists used the term gravitationally collapsed object. Science writer Marcia Bartoszek traces the term black hole to physicist Robert H. Dicke, who in the early 1960s reportedly compared the phenomenon to the Black Hole of Calcutta, notorious as a prison where people entered but never left alive. The term black hole was used in print by Life and Science news magazines in 1963, and by science journalist Anne Ewing in her article Black Holes in Space, dated January 18, 1964, which was a report on a meeting of the American Association for the Advancement of Science held in Cleveland, Ohio. And in December 1967, a student reportedly suggested the phrase black hole at a lecture by John Wheeler. He adopted the term for its brevity and advertising value, and it quickly caught on, leading some to credit Wheeler with coining the phrase. This has been a topic called a black hole. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.